Burt Bacharach was a pop composer, arranger, conductor, record producer, and occasional singer who died on February 6, 2019, at the age of 94. He was primarily known for his sophisticated collaborations with the lyricist Hal David, which resulted in numerous hits, including The Look of Love, Walk On By, and Alfie. Burt Bacharach's musical style combined the chromatic harmonies and long, angular melodies of classical music with modern, bubbly pop orchestration, and a staccato rhythmic drive. He won 2 Academy Awards for Best Song and won an Oscar for Best Original Score for a non-musical motion picture for his work in Butch Cassidy and the Sundance Kid. Burt Bacharach and Hal David's success transcended the top 40, as they also conquered Broadway with Promises, Promises.